Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor Alex Musawa and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 2 Lesson 36. Our topic is Action of Heat on Carbonates. The objectives of this lesson are to identify what happens when salts are heated. Number 2, to list the products formed when we heat salts. What is the effect of heat on carbonates? Pure carbonates of sodium and potassium are not affected by heat. When we heat carbonates of sodium and potassium, they are not affected by heat. Carbonates of these metals are stable because of high position of the metals in the reactivity series. If hydrated, the salts only lose their water of crystallization. The water vapor condenses on the sides of the test tube as a colorless liquid. The residue is a white solid. Let's say when we heat copper carbonate, what do we get? We get copper oxide plus carbon 4 oxide gas. And when we heat zinc carbonate is white, but when we heat it, it turns into yellow. That's because zinc carbonate decomposes to form zinc oxide plus carbon 4 oxide. Zinc oxide is yellow in color. And copper carbonate is green, but when we heat, it turns to black. That is because copper carbonate decomposes to form copper oxide plus carbon 4 oxide gas. The next carbonate is calcium carbonate. When we heat calcium carbonate, we get calcium oxide plus carbon 4 oxide gas. Calcium oxide plus carbon 4 oxide gas. The next carbonate we're going to heat is lead carbonate, lead 2 carbonate. When we heat lead 2 carbonate, we get lead 2 oxide plus carbon 4 oxide. Lead 2 oxide plus carbon 4 oxide. The next carbonate is ammonium carbonate. When we heat ammonium carbonate, we get ammonia plus carbon 4 oxide plus water. Metal bicarbonates. These are examples of metal bicarbonates, are compounds of various metals containing the bicarbonate radical, that is hydrogen carbonate. Example is sodium hydrogen carbonate and potassium hydrogen carbonate. When we heat hydrogen carbonates, they decompose to form carbonate plus water plus carbon 4 oxide. Sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes when heated to form sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon 4 oxide. Potassium hydrogen carbonate decompose to form potassium carbonate plus water plus carbon 4 oxide. And that is the end of our lesson. Activity: identify the products formed when we heat carbonates. Number 2, what is the general trend on the action of heat on carbonates? Reference: KLB Book 2, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on phone number, YouTube, Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, Twitter, @ElimuTV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV.